Topseal is an in-situ, cold-applied, high-performance GRP waterproofing system, which can be used to form a waterproof membrane regardless of the size or complexity of the application. It can be finished in any BS 4800 colour and, if required, can be incorporated with an anti-slip finish when used on balconies and walkways. In order to understand the qualities that make Topseal the finest roof that money can buy, we first need to understand the history and the use of GRP, which is more commonly referred to as either fiberglass or glass fibre. GRP has increased in popularity over the last 50 years and is now used in a number of sectors that include the automotive, marine, leisure and building industries. Over the last 30 years or so, popular building applications have included roof lights, valley and bonding gutters, bathroom wear and, of course, high-performance waterproof coatings. Traditional bitumen-based coatings have been in use for over 2,000 years, with varying degrees of success. However, with such products it's always been widely accepted that regular replacement would be necessary owing to failure. Alternatives were the use of expensive metal coatings such as copper or lead, or even the more expensive option of the installation of a pitch roof over the existing flat roof. Topseal provides a proven waterproof solution and offers unrivaled performance in terms of both domestic and commercial waterproofing membranes. Millions of square metres of roofs have been installed over the last 40 years and still continue to provide a high level of performance. Improvements in polymer technology have resulted in even higher performance availability with modern GRP roofs. A Topseal waterproofing system can be used with confidence in order to waterproof any roofing application, including vertical cladding, bay windows, balconies or walkways, regardless of the complexity or overall design. The main components that are used to form a Topseal roof commence with the installation of OSB 3 18mm tongue and groove boards, securely fixed to the roof timbers. Pre-formed GRP trims are then installed to the perimeter of the roof. Any remaining joins on the roof are then bandaged and laminated into place using Topseal formulated resins. A heavyweight chopped strand mat is then consolidated with 2 coats of resin in order to form the laminate in situ. Finally, a pre-pigmented top coat is applied in order to provide a high-quality and durable finish. A Topseal BBA-approved roofing system provides total peace of mind to the householder. Each installation is comprehensively covered against both material failure and installation defect, cold applied on-site with no seams, joints or welds, and finished in a variety of colours including anti-slip finishes for walkways and balconies. Topseal is only installed by the company's fully trained and approved contractors. Topseal is one of the largest and longest established GRP companies in the country and was the first company to be able to offer a BBA-approved system. You can therefore be assured of receiving an unparalleled level of service and quality when dealing with Topseal Systems Limited. All of the components manufactured to install a Topseal roof have undergone rigorous testing and are fully approved by the British Board of Agreement. Using only the finest quality materials from quality sources, you can be guaranteed that you have chosen the finest roof coating that money can buy. In order to ensure that all Topseal roofs are installed to the highest standard, prior to approval, all contractors have to attend a detailed training course and are fully supervised and vetted before they are allowed to offer the Topseal brand. In order to guarantee further quality, Topseal continues to support all contractors carrying out spot checks and appraisals on a regular basis. A Topseal installation is also further complemented by an extensive guarantee and guarantee protection scheme. This scheme is not insurance-backed, and so it doesn't rely on expensive annual premiums and a complicated claims procedure. The scheme is available and is used in the unlikely event that the installer is no longer able to honour his guarantee due to insolvency. The guarantee protection is provided by the manufacturer to demonstrate our level of confidence in the products that we supply and the service we offer. Our service begins the moment our approved installer arrives to carry out a free-of-charge survey and inspection of the roof. The installer fully explains every aspect of the installation, from the construction of the roof right through to the completion and issue of the guarantee. Details of finishes and colours are made available at the time of the survey to ensure the customer receives a roof to their exact specification. A detailed free-of-charge survey and inspection of the roof is carried out to determine access points, obtain measurements, and also to point out any damage or breakdown of the existing roof covering. Where possible, the surveyor will carry out a temporary repair to the existing roof to make it watertight. The surveyor finally provides the customer with a detailed fixed price quotation and a free-of-charge inclusive report. Our fixed price policy means there are no hidden extras or charges. So let's see a typical Topseal installation. Once you have decided to proceed with a Topseal roof, our approved contractor will arrive on an agreed date with all the materials that are required to complete the installation. The team begins by unloading all tools and safety equipment and will lay protective sheeting in order to protect the property and any adjacent areas. The old roof and substrate is first removed carefully to ensure that all waste is removed from the roof and disposed of correctly. A new roof deck is then laid using the finest quality OSB 3 18mm tongue and groove decking boards, which are securely fixed to the roof joists. The perimeter of the roof is then prepared and high-performance GRP trims are installed as required. Drip trims are installed to gutter details, upstands to form the sides, and finally, a simulated lead flashing sealed to the wall with high modulus silicone sealant. All edge detail and corners are then bandaged with glass fibre to provide further reinforcement. Our high-performance GRP laminate is then formed in situ onto the boards using a combination of specially formulated resin and heavyweight chopped strand mat. Since it's cold applied without heat or flame, it avoids the associated health and safety risks usually found with bitumen-based systems. All edge detail and areas of laminate are then sanded down to ensure the perfect finish. The roof is then finished with a coating of pre-pigmented top coat. In this instance, the client has opted for one of our brown top coat options rather than our standard grey colours. When a non-slip finish is specified on use of either a balcony or walkway, the aggregate would be applied at this point and a 600-gram laminate would be laid. The roof is now completed. The installers carefully remove all debris, leaving the site clean and tidy, and the high quality of the roof is now easily visible. The new roof looks superb and has added value to the property, increased the building's security, and should now last for the lifetime of the building. The installer can now present the guarantee and leaves another highly satisfied customer safe in the knowledge that they now have a maintenance-free roof which should last far in excess of its current 20-year guarantee. This is just one example of the many thousands of Topseal roofs installed every year. One day, all flat roofs will be installed in this way.